What I wish I knew before buying my last gaming PC. The future is here and it's wild. Here are 2025's ultimate gaming rigs. Coming in hot, Alienware Aurora R16, built for 4K and VR with an insane RTX 5090 and super silent cooling. Next, Corsair Vengeance on 8200, your best bet for streaming and high FPS 1440p play. Asus ROG Strix G35CA is a dream for creators and esports fans. Think 240Hz gaming. For mid-budget power, MSI Infinite RS nails style and speed. AMD fans, check out HP Omen 45L with next-gen Ryzen muscle. Prefer all AMD? nzxt player. One Prime is built just for you. Modder's Origin Neuron's custom power is unmatched. Lenovo Legion Tower 8. I give smooth play without breaking the bank. Love RGB? Skytech Prism 2 lights up any stream. And for pure overkill, CLX Raw is a future-proof monster. Which rig is your top pick? Comment below and hit subscribe for more epic updates.